on him. We will have our revenge.
Surprise!
God, I was just leaving you a message.
I wanted to surprise you.
Well, you succeeded. Welcome to Istanbul.
Mom, look at this. Oh, it's beautiful.
Dad's the best, huh?
Yes, he is.